Have you ever wondered what the world might look like if we continue to turn a blind eye to climate change? Today, we'll explore 5 disastrous scenarios that could unfold if we don't take urgent action against climate change. Firstly, we may see a dramatic increase in extreme weather events. We're already witnessing more frequent and severe heat waves, hurricanes, and wildfires. These are not mere anomalies, but are the direct result of a warming planet. If we continue on this path, these extreme weather events will not only become more common, but also more destructive, disrupting ecosystems, damaging infrastructure, and threatening human life. Secondly, rising temperatures could cause the polar ice caps to melt at an unprecedented rate. This would lead to a significant rise in sea levels, flooding coastal cities and displacing millions of people. It's not just about losing iconic landmarks like Venice or Miami. It's about the potential homelessness of millions of people worldwide. The third scenario involves changes in our oceans. As the planet warms, our oceans absorb a lot of this heat, leading to a process called ocean acidification. This could have devastating effects on marine life, especially on coral reefs, which are vital to the ocean's ecosystem. A lifeless ocean could disrupt the global food chain and have profound implications for human life. Fourthly, we could see a shift in our planet's biodiversity. Changes in temperature and habitat could lead to the extinction of many species. This loss of biodiversity could disrupt ecosystems and could even lead to the collapse of certain food chains. Lastly, there's the threat of climate change feedback loops. This is when the effects of climate change cause additional warming. For example, as permafrost in the Arctic melts, it releases trapped methane, a potent greenhouse gas, which in turn accelerates global warming. These scenarios are not just hypotheticals. They are based on scientific evidence and are stark warnings of what could happen if we don't act now. But it's not all doom and gloom. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the capability to prevent these scenarios. So, what can we do? We can start by reducing our carbon footprint. This means driving less, recycling more, and switching to renewable energy sources. We can also put pressure on our leaders to enact policies that combat climate change. Remember, every action counts. Whether it's choosing a reusable coffee cup or voting for leaders who prioritize the environment, your choices can make a difference. It's time to take responsibility for our planet. It's time to act on climate change. The future of our planet is in our hands.